For 0.3-inch digital microscope 1080p 50-1000x coin microscopio 2000 mAh soldering microscope for electronics repair PC laptop. Features: for 0.3-inch full-color HD IPS screen, equipped with a 1080p high-definition lens, the 4.3-inch IPS screen displays real-time clear images and high-quality video with the help of 8 LED-fill lights. This large screen enhances ergonomics and eliminates eye and neck strain, making it superior to traditional eyepieces. 50x and 1000x Continuous Magnification Zoom. Zoom into view incredible details within the 50x to 1000x magnification range. Actual magnification varies based on screen size, the distance between the camera, and the observations. PC view. Connect the microscope to a Windows PC via USB to get a larger field of view and clearer images. It is compatible with Windows XP, Vista, 7, 8, 10, and 11 system computers and laptops. Pictures, videos recording, and playback. This video microscope also functions as a camera, allowing you to take pictures and videos. These can be saved on a micro SD card, max support 32 GB, SD card not included, and viewed on the microscope screen or PC. User-friendly, easy to assemble, focus, and view tiny details. This versatile LCD digital microscope is perfect for inspecting coins, circuit boards, plants, insects, jewelry, stamps, and more. It is an ideal learning tool for adults, scientifically minded students, and children. Note: the microscope has built-in storage, capable of holding 200 photos without an SD card. For more storage, an SD card is needed. Specification: LCD size 4.3-inch. Magnification 50-1000x. Capture resolution 3M, 2M, 1.3M. Focus range, manual focus from 10 mm to 40 mm. Data format, AVI or JPEG. Operation system, Windows XP, Win 7, Win 8.1, Win 10, or higher. Function, take photos and record videos. Battery capacity, 2000 mAh. LED 8 adjustable LED lights.